I chose the movie Gran Torino, and the movie depicts gang violence within the Asian community and how the horrors of war traumatize people. I feel the movie has a really good grasp on how war not only traumatizes you, but also affects the people around you. We see Walt's family like push him aside and abandon him because of how he acts, and all of that comes from like what he did back in Korea. So it isn't really his fault in that way. Um, in the movie, Walt says the thing that haunts a man the most is what he isn't ordered to do, and this says a lot about Walt, since he knows that what he did in Korea was he wasn't really ordered to do it. Um, and that means that like he wasn't just fighting for his country. He was doing things that he didn't have to do, and he has to carry that burden on his shoulder every day of maybe having killed someone he didn't need to. And I think that's why he's willing to sacrifice himself. He's done so many bad things and gone away with his life, and he's gotten married to a woman he loves. But by sacrificing his life for a marginalized group and making up for it, he sort of like pays back for his mistakes he did in the past. Um, and the gang that tries to convert Tao, they see violence and criminal acts as a way of proving your worth and showing that you dare to do this stuff and you're not afraid to get arrested. And they shoot up Tao's house as a way of asserting dominance by trying to kill him so the other gangs will respect them more. Um, this becomes like a cycle where the gangs try to one up each other. We also see how Walt locks Tao in the basement because he knows that violence only leads to regret and he doesn't want the same fate for Tao as for himself. The movie uses violence to show how bad the world can really be and shows you how to combat it with intelligence, compassion, instead of like an eye for an eye like they do in the Jewish religion, where it's just paying back what people have done to you.